fucking hard.
Staying up all night, I certainly might. Oh, I want it all the time, yeah. Need it in my life, yeah. Feel it in my spine. So get down on the floor, let it take control.
No, there's lots of kinds of love in the world, and they're not all romantic and not all for boys and girls, but what we have doesn't have strict definition, cause I love you just as much as I hate my college tuition, and we're basically like dating but without all the romance. Don't get me wrong, I think you're pretty, but I don't want in your pants. It's just that I'm in best friend love with you, so I wrote this song for you. And I know you think it's weird, it's true, but I'm in best friend love with you, and I think we should go all the way in the 100% friend zone way, and I can't get you out of my head, and as long as we're in separate beds, I wouldn't mind spend the rest of my life with you. Like maybe we would work if we were single and we're gay, but what I'm really trying to say is I don't love you like Shang loves Mulan. You're more like the Robin Hood to my Little John, and I love you like Auto-Tune loves T-Pain, like a prostitute loves crack cocaine. I love you like Batman wished his parents hadn't died, like Anne Frank wanted to fucking go outside. You're more than my best friend, you're my partner in crime that I never ever make out with except for that one time. And I know you think it's weird, it's true, but I'm in best friend love with you, and I think we should go all the way in the 100% friend zone way, and I can't get you out of my head, and as long as we're in separate beds, I wouldn't mind to spend the rest of my life with you. Whoa, best friend love, best friend love. Don't need no love glove with best friend love.
I'll give it to you, no interruption. And you're home, oh, on the phone, all alone,
Fuck yeah,
all
go
alone.
volume.
I'll give it to you, no interruption. In your house, oh, on the couch, name the time and the place of the function. I'll give it to you, no interruption.
You said they make fun of your body, humiliation in your eyes when you told me, well, I'm gonna find them, don't you worry, I'll make sure they're really fucking sorry.
Here we go.
Perceiving that is a whisker on the face. I wanna use it. Hustle blind, your mom blind. Joe whisker on the face. I wanna use it. Freaking that is a whisker on the face. I wanna use it. Hustle blind, your mom blind. Joe whisker on the face. Use it. 3, 2, 1. Freak out it. Red. Skin coat. Skin coat. Joe. Freak out it. Red. Skin coat. Skin coat. Joe.